Okay, then we have copper, which I'm getting about $2.20 a pound. I was able to get quite a bit of copper. So about 4.1 ounces of copper. So about 56 cents of copper. Put that in my little copper pile. See, I don't have huge piles of anything like a lot of you scrappers, but I don't do this. If anything, this is just it's more of a hobby, but also I get a lot of leftover electronics that I can't do anything with. So instead of throwing them in the garbage like I used to do about 5-6 years ago, I just scrap them now. I don't go out looking for stuff. But when I do find stuff, I scrap it. I sell what I can, like you saw the screens, and I scrap the rest. So barely anything here, and I think I get, if I remember, I get about 50. No, that's the copper, the aluminum. I get about 50. So there's about 12 cents here of cables. And again, some of these cables do have gold, so usually those are pretty good for that. So now we're going to do the batteries. Board Sorts wants you to cover the connectors, which I will do, but for weighing purposes it doesn't really matter. So I have about 4 pounds 3 ounces of batteries, and let's see what Board Sort pays for batteries. So if they don't have swelling or anything, they pay 50 cents. So at 50 cents, I'm at $2.10 on the batteries. Okay, then let's do the aluminum. This was a nice find, completely aluminum. I cheated a little bit. I was lazy to